market analysis by niftinayak.com, and I am Vinayak. So before I start, I have an announcement. I am conducting a free options trading webinar. In case if you are interested, the link is given in the description below. You can click on that and register yourself. Coming to the market, today we had a fantastic rally in the market. Nifty shot up more than 200 points. Frankly, I did not expect 18,000 to be broken in this weekly expiry. In the morning, 18,000 call option had the highest open interest. So I thought once it goes near 18,000, there will be sellers and markets can fall down. But unfortunately, that did not happen. Okay, it rallied and it went close to 1800. But we did not see the same kind of rally in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it wasn't positive, but if Nifty is shooting up 200 points, you expect Bank Nifty to shoot up at least 500 points. But that did not come. So Bank Nifty is slightly weak. But now my view has still not yet changed. I will consider a bullish view only if 18300 is taken out convincingly. Okay. So till then, I will be using every rise for selling into the market. So even today, I executed a call ratio spread in Nifty, and in Bank Nifty, I thought I will execute a call ratio spread if there is 300-400 points rally, but unfortunately that did not happen. So I did not take any trade in Bank Nifty. So now we have completed 2 weeks of this expiry. We have another 2 more weeks, and in the next 2 weeks we have 1 day holiday. So you have around 8 trading sessions for this month. So most of my weekly and monthly trades which I have taken are in wonderful profit. Not weekly, monthly trades. So I took some weekly trades today, but they are in slight loss as of today. But that's okay. I am pretty confident that I can manage the trades what I have taken. Today, Nykaa shot up again. So I don't know what is cooking in that. People are just rushing behind Nykaa. So even today it shot up, and now it has shot more than 100% from its issue price. Zomato also shot up. I conducted a poll in my Twitter where I asked people whether they feel whether Paytm is going to fall on listing or not. 80% of them as of now have responded telling that even they feel that Paytm will open with a tepid listing. So let us see, we have few more days, and after that we will know how Paytm will react. But since it is a huge issue, and even if it opens in green, I am not expecting a double, triple of how Nykaa, Zomato and all perform. Yes, even if it opens in green, probably you may expect a premium of a premium shoot of around 10 to 20%. Okay, I won't be surprised even if it opens in the red. And I did not apply for the Paytm IPO because from last few days markets were also in the red, and FII is also continuously selling. So I thought of staying away from Paytm, but I did apply for Sapphire Foods. So let us see how that will open. So today Devyani International, Zomato and all these food related companies have shot up. So I am expecting Sapphire Food also to open in the green once it gets listed. So let us see how markets will factor those things. If you see the FII data, they have been continuously selling from many days. Okay. Today, while I was shooting this video, the FII data is not yet out. So I am hoping and expecting that they have become buyers at least now, because they have been selling for a long time now. Okay. And as I told in my previous videos also, this is exactly how the setup was when Nifty was at 15,000 or 16,000 exactly, where markets were going up higher and higher and FIIs were continuously selling. And at one point FII turned buyers and Nifty went even more higher. But are we in the same situation? Will the same thing repeat now? I have no idea. So now coming to the option trading. Now, if you are bullish, then I would suggest you go and execute put ratio spreads, and if you are bearish, I would suggest you go and execute call ratio spread. If you are neutral, if you have no idea like me, what will happen to the market? Simple, go and execute both put ratio spread and call ratio spread, provided you know how to manage your trades. So today, most of the sectors contributed to the rally. Reliance contributed, IT contributed, ITC, and you had Hindalco come out with its result, and Hindalco shot up 14 rupees. Yesterday, in my today's morning blog also, I told that I am planning to take a trade in Hindalco, but at opening I did not get much confidence, and even the option premiums were not good enough. So I thought of leaving this trade. Tata Steel also came out with its result. In the morning, Tata Steel shot up, but over as time went, it went into red. Okay, so it was mixed in the metal sectors. So Tata Steel result took the stock down. Hindalco result has taken the stock price higher. So let us see how markets will behave in the coming days. So for now, markets were volatile yesterday. Markets have shot up 200 points today as well. It fell more than 150 points yesterday, and it has shot up 200 points today. So in this week, from 17,700, we are at around 1800. Okay, not this week, this month. Sorry. So we have rallied around 400, 500 points. So I am not expecting the next 2 weeks to be very volatile. Saying that the markets might be choppy. So one day it may shoot up 200 points, and one day it may fall 200 points, and it may be half a star. But I am not expecting another rally of 500, 600 points from here, either on the upside or on the downside. So now you can take short straddle in monthly expiry. Okay, you have 2 weeks from now, that is 8 trading sessions. So you can easily take short straddle or iron fly if you want margin benefit, and if you want hedges, you can take short straddle in the monthly series. And yes, in case if there is a violent move that comes in the market, then probably you may have to do some adjustment. So be ready for doing adjustment as well, but I am not expecting that you will need to do an adjustment, but in case, you should be ready. Okay, so on Monday when market opens, I am planning to execute short straddle with a small capital in Nifty. So for now, I don't want to touch Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty can be very volatile. So now if FIIs have turned buyers, let me tell you, the major stocks where buying will come will be ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance. Okay, and if these three rally, then Bank Nifty can be it can even shoot up 1000, 2000 points as well. So now the short straddle at the money in Bank Nifty will not give you so much protection for 2000, 3000 points. So I just want to stay away from Bank Nifty at the moment. So Nifty seems to be a good idea, which is what I will be doing. So that's all I had for today's aftermarket analysis. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you guys for watching.